The OESH Townie merges technology and wellness into the perfect shoe. With help from the National Science Foundation, we are combining our completely unique, patent-pending 3D printing process with industrial knitting techniques to give you a shoe that was truly made just for you. Designed and manufactured entirely in Charlottesville, Virginia, under the direction of Harvard MD Dr. Kerrigan, this shoe has over 2,000 individual 3D printed springs to give you a bouncy sole like nothing you've ever experienced. Our proprietary 3D printed material is soft against your skin and will never lose its spring. The 3D printed Townie flat accurately captures human movement research and the actual shape of a woman's foot in a beautiful, functional flat. This is not your mother's dress shoe. Experience 21st century manufacturing in unparalleled luxury footwear, the Townie Flat by OESH.